repeat, judge number 1. And judge number 1 will be able to read the question number 16.
Okay. The question is, how do you plan to leave a legacy and inspire future generation as a title holder? Thank you. If I won the title, I will fulfill my responsibility with integrity and grace near to perfection. I will stay true to myself, and also I will leave a legacy with helping those people who are less fortunate than us, the homeless and the poor. And I would strongly advocate the education and healthcare and fight for the climate change, because I do believe that beauty pageant is not just about pretty faces. This is also about purpose of hard work and confidence. And this crown is not just an accessory. This is also a symbol of kindness, courage, and a heart